Hello folks, my name is Mark. Welcome to my channel. And today I would like to share with you some information regarding YouTube monetization. Recently I breached the 1,000 subscriber barrier and got monetized, and I would like to share with you how much I earned in the past 2 weeks. First, some disclaimers. Now, I've only been monetized for 2 weeks, so I don't know all the ins and outs of YouTube's systems. I'm just learning myself. So if I make any mistakes or impart any wrong information, please let me know in the comments below. Thanks. So what we're looking at here is my channel analytics overview page. And it shows you a lot about my channel. In the last 28 days, I've had 9.5 thousand views, 951 watch hours, plus 53 subscribers, and the estimated revenue, which I'm going to keep blocked out for just a moment to preserve the mystery. So on Tuesday, January 30th, 2024, I became monetized sometime in the evening, and I only earned 20 cents that day, and it didn't really show up until the next day when I found it. And even then I was happy to earn 20 cents. You know, it was the first 20 cents and I was like, woohoo, 20 cents. Now on the second day of monetization, I earned 84 cents. And if you add 84 cents to the previous day's 20 cents, well, that's $1. And I immediately thought of this. We got a dollar, we got a dollar, we got a dollar, hey, 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 hey. We got a dollar, we got a dollar, we got a dollar, hey, 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 hey. Now on Thursday, February 1st, I earned $1. And on Friday, I earned $1.08. On Saturday, $1.36. And on Sunday, $1.22. Now, on Monday, February 5th, I earned $1.44. And that comes up to a week. And for the week, I earned a total of $7.16. On Tuesday, February 6th, I earned $1.45. On Wednesday, $2.54, my best day ever. On Thursday, I earned $1.27. And on Friday, $1.76. On Saturday, $1.04. On Sunday, I earned $1.78. And then on Monday, February 12th, I did my best day so far on the channel at nearly $3. Now I've unblocked the estimated revenue box, and our total is just about $20 for the 2 weeks of monetization. And now that is just an estimate. I don't know how accurate it really is. You know, I'm just learning. It's my first 2 weeks. If this video does okay, I'll make another one in another 2 weeks and talk about the first month of monetization. Here's what the revenue page looks like. It just kind of breaks down how much you might earn in a month, how much a particular video might be earning, and then down below it shows how you make the money, whether if it's watch page ads or other kinds of ads. I didn't show it down there. Well, if anybody has any questions, feel free to ask. And if any of you old pros at the YouTube game feel like chiming in the comments, people love to see experienced words. You know what I mean? All right. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you next time.